help, Lila?
Okay.
Here. Can you tear that? Pull it. What is it?
I can do that.
What'd you get?
We got our train.
You got more train pieces so we can make it even bigger.
Yeah. Mama,
Get Daddy to help you.
so this is our only one place in our room.
You know, it's gonna that we can add it onto here and make it even bigger.
Yeah. Will
that be fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it now.
Okay.
Let's take this.
And look at this. And look at what Lila got. She got even more.
Yay! Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Hey, Ivy,
What?
can you say thank you, Grammy and Pops?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Lila, can you say thank you, Grammy and Pops?
Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah.
He said thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grammy
Thank
and
you,
Pops.
Grammy and Pops.
Thank you, Grammy and Pops.